If you've ever felt overwhelmed by crypto and thought, where do I even start? This video is for you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to easily start trading crypto in under 10 minutes. No complicated words or confusion, just simple, actionable steps. So let's dive in. By the way, hey, I'm Matt, and this is the Idiot Genius channel where I help answer your crypto questions and help you navigate the crypto space. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to turn on notifications. First things first, what is crypto? Cryptocurrency is digital money that runs on blockchain technology. I know, a bunch of fancy words to basically say it's decentralized, meaning no banks or governments control it. The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and so many more. To simplify this, think of crypto just like stocks, but instead of buying shares in a company, you're buying digital assets. Now, these digital assets can do all types of different things. Some of them, like Bitcoin, are just simply a store of value, which, just like gold, we don't really use gold for anything, right? We just agree that it has a value, and so we can buy it and sell it based on that value. That's like Bitcoin. However, there are other digital assets that have different utilities or use cases. For instance, Solana, we can actually buy and sell things, trade things, just like we would with, say, cash. Now, there are other types of tokens that can earn high levels of interest, be used in things like video games, and all types of others, but we'll get into that in later videos. All right, great, let's move on to step 2. To buy crypto, you need to use a crypto exchange. Think of it like a marketplace where you can trade your dollars for cryptocurrency. Some popular exchanges for beginners are things like Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com. I recommend starting with Coinbase because it's super user-friendly, and I'm gonna put a link below. You can click to sign up. It's just as easy as creating an account on a stock site or even a social media site. They have a desktop version and also the mobile app, which I use both because it's really convenient to have the mobile app as well for when I'm traveling. Once your account is set up, you'll need to add money to it. Most exchanges let you deposit funds using a bank transfer, debit card, or even things like PayPal. Now, remember to start small, even just putting in $100 so you can start learning how to trade, and getting comfortable on the platform is really great because remember, crypto is volatile, so you never want to invest more than you can afford to lose. But here on this channel, I'm making it my personal goal to help you become a great trader and understand exactly what you're doing. All right, now for the fun part, step 4, we're gonna actually buy some crypto, and this is so easy. Now on Coinbase, for example, we're gonna find Bitcoin, and on most platforms, it'll just be right there on the homepage since it is the biggest cryptocurrency. But it's important to know that crypto, just like stocks, has these tickers. So it might say Bitcoin or it might say BTC, which is Bitcoin's shortened ticker. And if you don't see it, you can go to the search bar, type BTC, and it should come up. Now, once you click on it, there should be options to buy or sell. We're gonna click buy. You're gonna put in the amount you want, and depending on the platform that you're on, it might be in a dollar amount, it might be in a percentage of a Bitcoin amount. So just make sure you double check and see how much you're actually buying, and then if you wanna purchase it, you click the OK button or the buy button, and boom, that's it. You're a crypto trader. Now, before we celebrate too much, we have a few more things to talk about in this video. See, crypto trading is a learning process, just like anything else. So it's really important to start small and start watching the market and learn how it moves. Now, don't panic if prices drop. That's why we're starting off small, so you won't panic if prices drop, because crypto does sometimes move in more volatile swings. Just like the stock market, cryptocurrency is affected by news and happenings around the world. So if you see a big price change, either down or up, it's important to understand why that might be happening. For example, some recent events that have affected the cryptocurrency prices are things like the election, changes to interest rates, even things like war and social issues can change people's perception of where the markets are heading and affect the prices. Over my 8 years of crypto trading, I've definitely seen some pretty crazy days both up and down, but the thing about Bitcoin is overall, it continues to slowly move its way up, and we're truly moving into a digital age. So stick to the basics for now and get comfortable on your trading platform. In upcoming videos, I'm gonna teach you about the other cryptocurrencies, what they are, what they do, what I'm personally investing into and holding, and what I think is gonna do really, really well over the next couple years, because we're in a really unique position right now, because for the first time ever, the government is acknowledging and buying cryptocurrency. We also have things like banks and funds accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum so they can allow their investors to invest into it. This is truly a new age for crypto, and I'm so excited for what's gonna happen over the next couple years. So if you're watching this right now, congratulations, because you are still early. Think of this like getting in on the front end of the .com boom, and how crazy it would have been if you could have bought Amazon or Google or Apple stock 10 years ago when they were first getting their start. Now, I like for this channel to be really interactive, and I know when I was first starting out, I had so many questions. So do me a favor, if you have a question, drop it down in the comments below. I'll do my best to either answer it or make a whole video about it if it's a topic that I think would help everyone on this channel. And if this video helped you, make sure you hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you can stay up to date with my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.